So Sven Peters has just given a talk today here at Codemotion, Codemotion Madrid about this coding culture. Hello, Sven.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And Sven, he's an ambassador from, evangelist, from Atlassian. So what do you understand by this coding culture?
Well, so a lot of companies actually, or a lot of developers and engineers think about day in, day out what they're gonna work on the product, about what technology they use, and they tend to forget to think about how they want to work together, what values they stay up for, and stuff like that. And this is the culture. And building a strong culture, I think it's very essential for the team and also for the organization. So I talked a lot about being transparent, for example. And I think transparency is really a key, that everybody knows what's going on in the company, what code is out there, stuff like that. So sharing and being transparent is very important, and being open for new things is very important part of a good engineering culture.
Communication between teams, right? Also.
Communication between teams, and inside the team. Sure.
Mm-hmm. And do you think there are many companies nowadays that still pretend to have this coding culture, and they say for branding, they say they have this coding culture, but they're actually not?
So what I think is that a lot of company wants a culture like that, but are not ready for that one. So I won't say that they pretend to have that culture. They really, I think, the top manager, they want this collaborative culture that everyone works together for the company and looking up for the bigger goals they have, but they struggle with the structure of the organization. And I also think a lot of companies are having values that sounds great, but on a day-to-day basis, they don't live these values. I won't say they pretend to have it. They really want it, but they cannot deliver. It's not very truly in every employee, in the brains of every employee. It's not there yet.
Maybe it's a matter of lack of time or something like that in the team, right?
Yeah, I think something is there's a missing link between what the organization wants the organization to be and what actually something in the middle management and down at the employee level, what they really do day in, day out, what they live, and this is different. If you want to build a strong coding culture, a strong engineering culture, it must come from the bottom up. It must be lived each day. People have to live that culture.
So thank you, Sven, for sharing this time with us.
Thank you for having me.
I'm looking forward to see you soon here in Spain.
Great.
Thank you.
Looking forward to.